Synergy Ram Heavy Duty Front Track Bar for the 2014 to current Ram 2500, 3500, and Power Wagon. Make sure the vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park or in gear with the parking brakes set. It's easiest to remove the factory track bar with the weight of the vehicle on the suspension. However, it can be difficult to remove the axle side bolt because the steering drag link gets in the way. Lifting the front of the truck a little bit can help in this process. Begin by loosening and removing the axle side track bar bolt. Make sure not to lose the flag nut that secures the bolt on the back side of the bracket. Save the stock hardware, it will be reused. Remove the frame side bolt holding the track bar in. Be careful not to let the track bar fall on you. Save all the hardware, it will be reused. Install the non-adjustable side of the track bar into the axle bracket with the bend facing downwards. Partially install the track bar bolt. It is easiest to thread the track bar flag nut on if the track bar bolt is not fully seated. Hold the flag nut by the flag and rotate the track bar bolt into the mount and nut. Once the nut has started on the bolt, continue to rotate the bolt in. Push the frame side angle forging up into the frame side track bar mount, making sure the angled forging is oriented correctly. When the bolt holes are lined up, install the factory hardware through the frame side bracket and track bar. Torque the track bar bolts to the OEM specifications. Both the axle side bolt and the frame side bolt go to 285 foot-pounds. With the vehicle on the ground at ride height, adjust the track bar to center the axle underneath the truck. Turning the adjuster clockwise shortens the bar, moving the axle towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Turning the adjuster counterclockwise lengthens the bar, moving the axle away from the driver's side of the vehicle. With the axle center, tighten the pinch bolts holding the double adjuster to 90 foot-pounds. Installation is complete. For more information on this product or other Synergy products, visit us at synergymfg.com.